When you come to Tijuana, you cannot talk about Tijuana without talking about Caesar restaurant here. The place that is believed to be like the birthplace of Caesar salad. Like in 1924, there was like a legend called Caesar Cardini. And he invents the Caesar salad here in Tijuana. And now we got the Caesar restaurant. So let's see if it's a good place or it's like overblown or whatever. We're gonna discover that now. Caesar Cardini.
Yeah, Mr. Cesar.
Caesar.
Mr. Cesar.
Es tu amigo.
I am Cesar too.
You're Caesar? Is your grandfather?
Yeah, grandfather.
Ah, grandfather, okay. Nice to meet you. But you don't look Italian.
My daddy is my name is Neri.
Nadi.
Neri.
Got some real leaves as well.
Where are you from?
Marruecos.
Marruecos.
África del Norte.
Welcome.
¿Es posible filmar aquí?
Para uno.
Quiero comer ¿Es bonito aquí?
Sí.
Bien. ¿El mejor
Los
César del mundo?
¿La mejor César del mundo? Sí.
Sí.
Sí. Por favor.
Muchas gracias.
Adelante.
Let's have a look. ¿Para aquí es posible?
Sí, claro.
So let's see the menu. I was expecting that they have only the Caesar salad, but the menu here is so full. Like they have a lot of options. So I'm mainly here to try the Caesar. Yeah, it's all like Italian food. I bet it's like an Italian restaurant, and that's like how it was Tijuana a long time ago, when Caesar just invented like this salad. So we got like two types of Caesar salad here. One that is prepared on the table, and one that is like already prepared. So we're gonna watch the show. This is the one at the table. It's like only $1.65, like $9. I was expecting it to be more expensive, but that's a fair price to try like the Caesar salad in the main place. ¿Es posible un salato César en la mesa prepara? ¿Posible?
¿A dónde va a llegar? ¿A dónde va a llegar?
Eso para televisión.
¿A qué parte del mundo va a llegar?
Marruecos.
Ah, Marruecos. Vas a llegar a Marruecos, amigo.
Mejor César del mundo?
Yeah.
Let's see. Very curious.
Very, very, very good.
Very good.
Aquí va a estar el amigo
I trust you.
Charlie, tus órdenes.
Charlie.
Y Carlos.
Carlos. Okay.
Carlos,
Un
mexicano.
gusto. Yusef.
Joseph.
Like Joseph, yeah. Aquí es como José, like José.
José.
Yeah.
José. Welcome.
Muchas gracias. So it's supposed to be coming now. We're gonna see the show. How the Caesar salad is made here. Hola.
Hola.
Es para la televisión.
Okay, you like dressing salad? You like anchovies?
Me gusta comer todos.
Sí.
Sí.
Mustard, Dijon,
Mustard, go ahead.
garlic.
Garlic.
Yeah. English sauce. Do you like Western sauce?
¿Tienes salsa picante?
Picante? No, aquí no.
Okay, go ahead.
Pepper?
Pepper, go ahead. Oh, it smells so good.
Yeah.
¿Todo producto de Tijuana o internacional?
Sí, todo.
Tijuana.
Tijuana. En Tijuana. You like original Caesar?
Yeah, yeah,
Like Tijuana.
yeah. Okay.
You?
Eggs.
Hey.
Wow. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be eating like a raw egg.
Lemon
I
juice?
can get some salmonella or something, but I'm gonna risk my life for you guys. Yeah, lemon. ¿Tienes tequila, no?
Huh?
Tequila?
You like Mexican tequila?
Wow. Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Nice. Like all these ingredients, all this show for like less than $10, guys. Can you imagine? Viva Mexico, viva Tijuana.
Yeah. And the Parmesan cheese?
¿Te gusta Tijuana?
Yeah.
¿Eres de Tijuana?
No.
No, ¿dónde?
México.
Ah, la ciudad.
Ciudad de México.
¿Es mejor vivir aquí o la capital?
Aquí.
Aquí. Porque gringos, dinero.
Hay mucho dinero aquí. Ah, no, no es cierto. Mucho trabajo.
Mucho trabajo aquí.
Así es. Turistas, ajá, de todo.
De todo.
de todo.
El salario aquí es más alto del salario en la capital.
Es casi la mayoría.
¿Igual?
Es el mínimo. Sí, un poquito más.
Yeah.
Allá es un poquito menos.
Porque aquí muchos dólares de América,
Ajá.
Estados Unidos.
Así es.
Yeah. So like Americans come here and they bring a lot of money since it's in the border. So the salaries here are quite high compared to the capital. Parmigiano.
Parmesan.
Sorpresa.
Oh, muchas gracias, hermano. Wow. It smells so fresh, guys. It smells like life. Original.
Ya, sí.
El mejor del mundo.
El mejor nacional, internacional.
Ok. Muchas gracias. ¿Cómo comer? ¿Con el pan? ¿Con el...
Con un cuchillo, tenedor.
What is this?
Olives.
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 We're having a very fancy experience here in Tijuana for less than $10, $9. And we're eating the Caesar salad in the first place. Muchas gracias.
De nada, provecho.
Lettuce, parmesan, and all the ingredients I've seen. Let's give it a go. Wow. To be honest, I was like thinking that this place was like overblown or something, but after tasting this sauce here, it tastes really so good. Like it tastes like better than any Caesar salad I ever had in my life, and the ingredients are so good, fresh. That's next level, guys. I'm making the face of Mark Wayne. Viva Tijuana cabrones. And I also like, it's like a fancy restaurant. And I brought my water from the outside and they won't give a fuck, you know. Nobody talks to me. They don't really care. I love that about this place. Like sometimes when you bring drinks from outside or whatever, they try to stop you, but here they don't care. I have a question for you, please, if you mind. Caesar Cardini, is still alive?
No, he died a long time ago.
And who is the owner now? His son or his grandson?
He's his grandson. He's comes one month in the month.
He's not living here.
No, not here.
Okay, thank you. There is no way he's still alive, guys. I mean, like the salad was like invented in 1924, like 100 years ago, exactly. You know, the grandson now is taking care of the restaurant. He's the owner now, but he comes only once a month, like to take the money and then go back to Italy. En Marruecos tengo Caesar salad en Marruecos. En Marruecos es mejor que aquí.
Sí.
Es muy mejor Marruecos. Aquí,
Like.
aquí más o menos.
Ahí se va.
I'm joking. Here is the best.
¿Tiene restaurante ahí en Marruecos?
¿Tengo qué?
Restaurante.
¿Restaurante? No. Soy pobre, ¿no?
No, afortunado. África del Norte. Puro camello allá. Canguros.
¿Canguros?
Canguros.
What do you mean canguros?
¿No hay canguros en África?
No, in Australia.
Ah, es Australia.
In Africa we have koala. You know koala?
Koalas.
Koalas, yeah, we have koalas.
Perezosos.
No,
Ah, los
Koalas.
koalitas, no conejitas.
Koalas, yeah. And we also have Komodo dragon.
¿Cómodo dragón? No.
Yeah.
Vale. El dragón este de Komodo. It's beautiful. The
Yeah, it's a beautiful country, very diverse. I love my country. $9 for a fine dining experience. Not as bad at all.
Ok, gracias. Hasta luego.
Mejor salad del mundo.
¿Sí?
So our experience, guys, in the Caesar restaurant will finish here. That was it. Very fresh, very good, cheap dining experience. We will see you in the next one. And yeah, subscribe.